Hi everyone, today is January 26th. We've had our eggs for 15 days and our tank is looking a little bit different now. In these rocks we used to have all of our eggs. Now we see a lot of eggs that have hatched into the next stage. Do you guys remember what the next stage is called? If you said Alevin, you would be right. And you can see some Alevin wiggling around in front of us here in the rocks. There are some eggs that are left in those rocks. So I'm wondering how many we have left to hatch. We have about 5 eggs that have floated to a different part of the tank. And then I want you to see if you can count how many eggs you see in the rocks here. How many total eggs do we have left? We had 100 to start. So how many Alevin should we have swimming around in our tank now? Now, the eggs that have hatched and become Alevin look a little different. And I want to show you, I took one Alevin out of the tank. So if I can hold this up here, you can see better. And see, it's starting to look a little bit like a fish, but it's not like an egg. It doesn't, like a chicken egg, I mean. It doesn't come out like a small chicken or small salmon. It comes out in a different shape. We're starting to see the tail. And we see some eyes developing there too, but it still has part of the egg, that yolk, that orange sac underneath its chin kind of. That's basically its lunchbox. That's where the Alevin will get its nourishment for the next few weeks. And as it grows, it will absorb that yolk sac. So I'm going to go back to the tank now. And let's see, where do you see our Alevin developing, living, staying in the tank? I see some that are down in that space there between those rocks. I see some Alevin hiding there. I see some tails in our rocks. And then I do see some Alevin that are swimming around in the tank. A couple back over there that are swimming around. Maybe they hatched a little bit earlier than these other ones, and they're more comfortable swimming around in the open. Alevin, when they hatch, do have gills, so they start to breathe through them as soon as they hatch. And they can flush out some silt, some particles of dirt that are floating in the water, but not a lot, so we have to be really careful how much excess dirt gets put into streams from erosion. I'm wondering now, what's going to happen next with these Alevin? We'll talk about that in the next video.